Hi, in this video we are going to answer an intermediate SQL question. So to begin with, we need to enter this website, sqlpractice.com, and inside this website we have this environment, and here we're going to perform some SQL queries. So first of all, we need to select the hospital database. After doing that, we click on view all questions, and we need to select difficulty medium, and we are going to select the fifth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the question states, display every patient's first name. Order the list by the length of each name and then by alphabetically. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. And I first need to understand the question and the data. So I have a patients table. In here, I have information about the patients inside a hospital. And if I click on expected output, I can see what the output should look like at the end. If with this information we can start, so I suggest to you and I encourage you to do it by yourself. If you're not able to do it by yourself, or if you are stuck or cannot continue, we can do it together. If we click on get hint once more, we get solution keywords, for example the select statement and order by a statement. So these are suggestions for you to use. And if we click another time on get hint, we can get a portion of the solution. So here you can see a portion of the SQL code, and yeah, so this gives us an idea of how to approach this question. So let's do it together now. So the question says again, display every patient's first name and then order the list by the length of each name and then by alphabetically. Okay, so the first thing that is requesting is displaying the patient's first name. So where is that information in the database? In this table, the patient's table, we can find the first name column. So I begin by doing that. Select first name and from the patient's table. If I click on run, I can take a look at the output, but this is not correct. This is not what the website is asking us. They want us also to order the list by the length of each name. Okay, so how are we going to do that? To order, we need to use the order by statement, and so we need to order by the length of each name. So for the length, we use the len, L-E-N statement, and with this I need to specify the length of what? In this case, of each name. So the length of the first name inside parentheses. I close the parentheses, and then it needs to be order in alphabetical order. So if I just run this by clicking on run or control enter, is ordered by the length of the first name. So you can see here you can see names which only contains 2 letters, and if I scroll down, then comes the ones with 3 letters and then 4 letters. If I do this, oh, okay, yeah, 4 letters and so on. But also I need to order not only by length but also in alphabetical order, and order by, oh sorry, I can just use a comma, and select in which uh, order I want to order this. So I want to order first by the length of each name and then in alphabetical order. So I'm going to just do this, order by first name in alphabetical order in ascending order. So from the letter A until the letter C. And if I run this, we should have our query correct, and indeed we got it correct. Here it is the solution. So you can see it's pretty similar to ours, and you can compare it. So that's it for now. If you find this useful, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.